Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Raheja and Terrace by K. Raheja Corp Homes located in Kanchkumar West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. We are standing inside the sales office. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. We'll also show you the actual land parcel. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual land parcel of the project. You can see the construction has already started and is in full swing. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.1 acres that will have two towers, Tower A of ground plus 33 story and Tower B of ground plus 32 story, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at JBLR LBS intersects near Gandhinagar Junction, Kanjurmarg West, from where Eastern Expressway at a distance of 1.4 kilometers, IIT Powai is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, D-Mart is at a distance of 400 meters, and you have International School, Colleges, Hospital at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, garden, gym, pickleball court, squash court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Also, behind me you can see the actual land parcel of the project, where you can see the construction has already started and is in full swing. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1136 and 1138 square feet, 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1311 and 1312 square feet, and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1687 and 1720 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Raheja and Terrace by K. Raheja Corp Homes located in Kanchkumar West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.